Hello and welcome to Corporate+Club for business professionals, and we're very happy to walk you through what we can do for your business. So step one, we'll print these cards for you. They're hard plastic, they're beautiful. We'll design them any way you want. Every card is different, and every card comes with a membership number on the back. Your clients download the mobile app, they punch in their number, they see you, and they see all the discounts they get access to, and they can use them every day whenever they want. So we'll show you what the app looks like. Okay, so this is the app. It's called Corporate+Club, and I'm already signed in with Dan. He's my real estate agent who gave me a card at an open house or a networking event or whatever. And then when I click on discounts, I see that I have an AMC theater in my area, and instead of paying 12 or 13 bucks a ticket, I only pay $9.90, and I buy my vouchers right from here. There's no limit to how many I can buy. Oops, sorry. And the vouchers get emailed to me right away, and I can just show them at the box office, and this is probably the most popular discount that we have. If you don't have an AMC theater in your area, we also have Cinemark. We have every Cinemark in the country and every AMC in the country. If I want, let's say Sherwin-Williams, I can walk into any Sherwin-Williams in the country and get 20% off my paint. I just have to show Dan's card. If I lost my card for any reason, I get a discount code that I can show and get my discount too. I get 5% off Home Depot gift cards whenever I want, which is great for when I want to renovate my home. I get up to 30% off hotels and car rentals and Dell, Lenovo products. Valentine's Day is coming around, so I get 20% off flower delivery whenever I want with FTD and 1-800-Flowers.com, the two biggest in the world. And I can just buy my flowers right from the app, and everything is 20% off. So every time I want to save money, I have to see his face, right? Which is amazing. Now, it comes preloaded with about 20 to 25 national vendor partners, and depending on where your clients are, there may be some bonus deals as well. So, like right now I'm using a Texas zip code, so I see some sports tickets are cheaper, and there's some Six Flags locations that are cheaper. But here's where it gets really fun, is that Dan actually added his own benefits to his club. So he knows a great heating and air conditioning guy. So he actually got me $250 off a new HVAC system, or 25 bucks off service calls. I just have to present his card or show the special on the app. He added home inspector. He knows a great home inspector. So now whenever I need a home inspection, I get 25% off a pre-listing home inspection. And this is just because I met Dan, one time. I get 10% off any electrical job. So not only does your club have all these national corporate rates preloaded, but you can actually speak to local businesses, get them on board. For example, Dan added some local restaurants to his app. Now when I go to this Buffalo Wild Wings, I get 15% off my food purchase. And he spoke to the owner or manager there, and usually it just goes something like this. Hi, my name is blank, and I'm a local real estate agent. I have a benefits program for my clients in the area, and I can actually add whatever I want locally. I already work with AMC, Enterprise, Hertz, Sherwin-Williams, Home Depot, and more. And if you want to advertise an offer to my clients, I can throw that on my app for them to see, and thereby driving more traffic to your business because this is something I'm providing to this neighborhood. And then they usually ask, okay, how much does it cost? And you'll say, no, it's free. But how about you send me a referral once in a while? In fact, if you just send me one referral a year, I'll keep you on there. And here, I'll even give you some cards to you and your staff to use. And if you guys or your friends ever need any real estate advice at all, just give me a call. So what happens is not only are you making your club better for your clients and prospects who you give your cards to, you're also making way more connections locally, and you're expanding your sphere of influence. You never know when someone needs a real estate agent, right? And you just cemented yourself as a top pick for them to use. 84% of our members report keeping their card in their wallet or purse at all times. And that's crazy compared to, 92% of paper business cards that get thrown out in the first week alone. This is a serious upgrade. And here's where it also gets fun. whenever someone activates a card for the first time, not only do they see you, not only do they see you, but we'll send you a notification with their name and email address. Like marysmith@gmail.com is the newest member of your club. And this could be someone you just met at, at an open house or at the Starbucks or whatever. And you gave them your card, and now you have their email address. So, tap on her email address and send her a quick note like, "Hey, Mary, it was great meeting you the other day. Thanks for activating your card. Enjoy the benefits. And if you ever need any real estate advice, I'm here for you." And if you do that 10, 20, 100, 500 times, you're going to get more engagement, more word of mouth, and more business. And that's what it's all about. For club managers who want some support for adding local vendors, we have our club manager support page. It's build.corporate+club.com. We have, if you click on forums and guides here on the build section, we have local business invite templates. So you can download that, edit it, and you can distribute it to businesses in your neighborhood. We have vendor offer forms, which you can use to get new vendor information written down. It's all very simple. You even have your own admin account where you can add vendors very easily online. Most club managers will actually just send their vendor information to us, and our team will upload it to your club and make it look nice. There's no extra charges for that. If you want to do it yourself, you can. You just need the deal information and their logo, and you're good to go. So these are suggested materials. We even have a thorough club manager guide, best practices for adding local vendors and stuff like that. It becomes a lot of fun when you get good at it. So if you're interested to create your own benefits club with your own VIP client cards, head over to shop.corporate+club.com. There you will find more information, more videos, testimonials, and pricing. You can print as many cards as you want, and you can keep them all active as long as you want. There's an initial card printing charge and a monthly service fee depending on how many cards you have in circulation. Please note we may have promotional pricing available at the time of your order, so it's important that you get in touch with a sales rep to make sure you are getting the best price. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to growing your business.